Today, we're talking about how to create QR codes that will have your customers scanning left and right. First things first, let's fire up that Shopify admin dashboard. Don't worry, no fancy tech skills needed. Just log in like you're about to check your sales stats and feel like a millionaire. Now, let's navigate to settings in the bottom left. Yep, that little gear icon, click it. And before you start thinking we're doing some crazy advanced wizardry, just trust me, you've got this. Next, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Basically, where all the magic happens. And wait for it. Drumroll, please. You're going to click on Shopcodes. And then, you're going to create Shopcode. Yep, that's right, we're creating a little QR wizard right here. Now, give it a name. Think of it as naming your pet, but like way cooler, because it's going to be sending people straight to your store. Dog face, or better yet, send them to that one product you've been dying to sell. Then, pick the destination of your QR code. Do you want to send them to a product page? A checkout page with specific items? Maybe even give them a little discount. Yes, please. Money with wings. Once you're happy with your setup, hit create and download your brand new QR code like it's the most important thing you've ever downloaded. Because, let's face it, it's basically the future of marketing. Rock it. Now, don't just throw the QR code around without testing it. You got to make sure it works. Try scanning it with a few different devices because, technology, right? Sometimes it has a mind of its own. Next up, get creative. Put that shiny new code on flyers, brochures, or product packaging. Let your customers scan away like they're unlocking treasure chests in a video game. Bar chart O. And don't forget to track how often these codes are getting scanned. It's like being a detective, but for your sales. Check how many times it gets scanned, because if people are loving it, you're winning. And that's a wrap on creating QR codes for your Shopify store. It's super easy, super fun, and a total game changer when it comes to connecting with your customers. If you found this video helpful, and I know you did, hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and let me know in the comments how you're using QR codes in your store. Go ahead, get out there and start creating some awesome QR codes that make your customers' lives a little easier and your sales a little higher. Catch you in the next one.